ginagawa ni Noah? Ang gagawa mo? Ba't mo ginugulo si ate? Lalo yata nasira ang sasakyan.
Oh, not again!
Si Noah o inuuga.
It's fixed, Noah.
Oh.
Ready?
No.
Whoops!
Nagawa kaya yan? Nakaw. O, testingin mo, anak. Naya, testingin mo kung gawa na.
For the bus. No. I fixed it, but Noah's ruling it. Noah's not letting me see. Driving in a car.
Gawa na?
Feeling like a star. Driving in a car.
Okay na. Okay.
Oh no, it's broken again! See that noise?
Meron sa ilalim eh. Ano yung nasa ilalim?
Our tools.
Ano ginagawa ng kapatid mo doon?